Students, good morning. I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari. So here we are covering the experiment number 4. Create a file called wlcc.txt with some lines and display how many lines, words and characters are present in that file. So this is the program number 4. Okay, so let's start with this topic and how is it useful in Linux operating systems and how can we program this particularly for how many lines, words and characters, how would you find in the file. Okay, so now we are going to perform this program, right? So we will perform in Ubuntu and this is a version of Linux operating systems. So before this I will explain you the cat. Okay, so the cat command is used for creating any text, any files, right? And also we can concatenate also, okay, and showing the contents of the files, right? So the cat is short for the concatenate, and command is one of the most frequently used command in Linux Unix like operating systems, right? So cat command allows us to create single or multiple files, view content of the files, concatenate files, and redirect output in the terminals or files. Okay, so general syntax like we can use cat and greater options wcc.txt, right? So in the below program there is creating the file like wlcc.txt and welcome Linux operating system, whatever we type, and we can save it by the control D. After control D you can open the file cat options cat and wcc.txt, so there will be no any sign before the file name, right? So how we view the contents of the multiple files in the terminals. So we will display contents of the wlcc.txt. Okay, so there will be a message welcome Linux operating systems. Okay, so creating a file with cat command, it is very easy, you can see here, and I will also perform doing these operations in Ubuntu, so it will be clear to you. Okay, and control D, hold down the control key and type D, so it will be exiting from the terminal window. Okay, so use cat command and get the benefits in the next units, right? So I am showing you how is it useful in Ubuntu. And after that I will also one command I will give you, that is wc. So wc will count your lines, words and characters that is present in that files. So there will be output of 1 3 17. So 1 is one line and 3 is there is a 3 words and 17 is the characters, right? So now we see, now this is your Ubuntu, and this is the one of the most popular desktop on your operating systems. Okay, so here we type cat and we are creating wcc.txt file. So I type here and it will create it. So whatever we write here and type some characters, some sentences, some words, so it will be displayed on your screen after the saving it, right? So here I will welcome SIRTS college. Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari, Associate Professor in CSE department. So if I save it, so what will be the command? Control D. So I am uh, pressing the Control D and it will be saving. Now I want to show the contents wlcc.txt files. So cat wlcc.txt. Now, this is your output. Welcome SIITS College Bhopal. Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari, Associate Professor in CSC Department. Right? Now, I will show you also the how many words, how many sentences, and how many lines in my file. Right? So, one thing is more, I will show you some desktops and wlcc.txt. You can see here in this window. This is your file, and this is the text file which is created in your Ubuntu, and you can see it, you can check it. Right now, again go to the terminals. Okay, so wc, and what is your file name? wlcc.txt. It will show your word sentences and words characters. So this is your output. This is your output. This is your output 2 15 98. Right, so 2, what is a 2? 2 lines. Welcome SIITS College Bhopal, and hello, I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari, Associate Professor in CSC Department. So this is the 2 lines, and 15 characters. If you, sorry, this is the words 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 words is here. Okay, and 98, 90 is the characters. So if you count this, so including the spaces, this is the 98 characters. So I hope so you must be understanding, you might be understanding all the things. Okay, so we have learned today cat command and how we are creating the files, and how we are showing the contents of the files, and how we are saving it, and then how we are using the wc command and counting the lines, sentences, and words. Right, so thank you for today. If any doubt, so please ask me. Thank you.